Hi, I'm Matthew, one of the voices on the Hands-On Meditation channel. We're proud of the content created here, and we genuinely love reading your comments about how the meditations, breathing exercises, and resources are helping you every day. To help us grow, we're inviting you to join our community and become a member of the Inner Circle. By joining, you'll be directly supporting the channel, allowing us to create even more content, higher quality productions, and new features for everyone. As a member, you'll receive special loyalty badges that change colour as you grow with us, along with custom emojis to use in the comments. You'll also get to help influence new projects through members-only polls, and you'll get early access to our newest videos before they go public. We also plan to add additional benefits, like member discount codes for products we'll be offering soon, and we may be able to offer a completely ad-free experience for members in the future. I want to be clear, there is zero pressure to join. The videos will remain free for everyone here on YouTube. But if you'd like to help sustain this artist-led channel, the Inner Circle membership is just about the cost of a small tea or coffee, and you can cancel anytime. Your support helps the real creators here at Hands-On Meditation and allows you to give back to a community that is making a positive impact in the world. Please click the Join button on the channel page to learn more. Thanks for being part of a community that's choosing calm, kindness, and mindful living.